Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. We're here opening print level right now on the first minute candle here. We're gonna check the levels. Let me put it on. Beautiful. And as well, let me look for the levels for today. How are you, by the way, everyone? Hi, Tomato. Hi, Hope. Hi, Fayad. Hi, Abdel. Seems we are in a careful sell-off situation here. We might really go lower. Ooh, go lower a lot. Ooh, we don't have that much lower. We don't have that much lower. This can be a nice sell-off day. The only low I have right now is the low. Let me see if it's correct. No. I have a level. I have a level. It's 136. I'm gonna put 136. That's a level I have there. And then the other level is 8009. Oh, very, very low. So at the 610. Hello, Mufti. All right, look at that. We're already rejecting that 16. So we might have a sell-off today. If we keep ourselves below this 136, seems so. But we'll see. We'll see. Interesting situation. As we know, today we're not gonna look for no home runs, nothing like that anymore. Now I'm gonna check if my orders work correctly. Yes, they're copy traded. ATR, I don't have the ATR indicator. Nice. Not that high. Hello, Mufti. Hello, everyone, guys. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, guys, let's see what we can get. 2 good trades. I said to myself, from this time, we're back to 2 trades. Only 2 trades. This to avoid myself from overtrading, because we have noticed it. There's too much overtrading for myself. And as well, we take profit at 1 to 1, 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Just to have a correct positive risk reward. For the moment, I still have, oh my God, I didn't launch yet my stocks. Where are my stocks? They're here. Oh no, they're here. I launched them. They're here. How are the stocks are doing? Amazon, only Apple kind of pushing there. Nvidia on the positive side. Yeah, quite a bit of a big gap. So I will wait. I'm waiting. By the way, this weekend I spent a little bit of time going back on datas to look at the 15 minutes range, but not on a break, but on a break and retest. It looks so sexy, by the way. It looks so sexy. So sexy. If I go back to the past here, let's see if I find it. If I do like this, it's even easier. What is it? Look at this. Beautiful. Okay, it does not do it. It does not do it. Okay. No. Okay. So look at that. Oh wow, I didn't. I removed everything. 5 days. So if I go to the last session, look at this end 15 minutes break if it happens here. Breaker retest. Here, yes. 47, 46. So here. Then it break, come back, retest, and can take the short. And I checked it many times, but this is not the only one. Third one, what's up, Nasdaq Ninja, stay safe and follow your rules. That's the goal today. That's the goal today, beautiful people. Look at that market, doesn't want to sell off. We might look for sell right now. Not risk, I might have to go to free contracts here. Let me see. Yeah, I might even more probably. Oh, like that. Like that, but I'm gonna wait a little bit more. We're below the 156. Looks good for sell-off. Sell-off. Yoo-hoo, sell-off. It's coming there. Look at that. The sell is coming. The 156, like I said, if we're below, it looks for a good sell-off there. Looks good for sell-off. And it's happening. It's really freaking happening there. Quicker than expected. Look at that. Not holding at all. Oh wow, that was that's some quick sell-off there. Do we have news? Usually on Monday we don't have news, but always better be checked, be safe. 2 trades I have to take today. So let's come 10 a.m. Wow, we have a 10 a.m. news there. That's interesting. That's interesting. Some bounce there. Let's see what's wants to evolve. Apple is bouncing. We give it a time. Sounds good. I'm looking for a possible sell. That Apple is the only thing that is holding there, but Amazon and the rest are more on the sell side. Might give it a shot here. I should have given it a shot 10, 15 points ago. I like that everything is selling off. Just waiting for a better entry. Coming back there at the opening print levels. Great tomato. That's beautiful, man. I'm gonna give it a shot, guys. The profit will be at the lows. Let's see, with the stop loss will be around the same amount of loss. Giving it a short on this weakness from the stocks. Let's see if I get screwed. Good morning, Mohammed. Good morning, Mufti again. Looking for this sell continuation. Give me another leg. It's trying. Apple is coming lower. It looks good. It looks good for the sell. So I'm liking it even more now. It's just a matter of time now. Nice Apple selling off. Amazon as well. Come on. Give us this continuation lower. That's good. Give us a little bit more. Apple as well. That. Amazon too. All the heat map is red, only Netflix is green. It's fighting there. We're gonna wait for it to fight. Amazon is looking for more downside, so still looks a good short. Can we break the previous candle? We give it a time. Apple not helping us right now, but let's see. We need this to continue sell off. We're below the opening print level. We're below the 156 level. Only Apple right now a little bit playing with us and Google. The rest are lower than VWAP and pushing lower, Amazon as well. So we're still in the position. Okay. Can you give us this low? Wish you the best as well for the people that will take the 15 minutes break very soon. Good luck, guys. We need this to sell off right now. Can you give us this low? Come on. It's fighting it. It's fighting it, guys. It's fighting it. It's trying its best. As well as Google, good side, Google is not as well supporting anymore the VWAP. Got break even. Break even is great. Can we get these things to go lower? Okay, there is no need to risk anymore all of it. There is no more risk reward there to bring it all of it to. Oh, that sucks. Wow. That's some candle push back there of 30 points candle. 30 points candle to almost our TP there. The break looked amazing, was coming. 1 tower wants to update. New 50 minutes candle there. So the break lower of the 50 minutes candle seems coming. Okay. Can you give us this little more? It's selling off. Seems it wants to give it to us. Wow, it didn't. It didn't. Okay. Push. 1, 2 contracts were filled. 2 contracts were filled. Always dance around, man. Look at that. 2 contracts filled. How the heck it's possible that only 2 contracts were filled there? Just close. Oh no, freaking hell. We freaking take every point. Just close the damn trade, man. I swear to you, you are even right, to be honest. 15 minutes breaker retest here. I will look into it for the next possible short. We take every tick. We take every tick, guys. We don't give anything to the market. Ay. Man. Yeah, I swear to you, it did play with my emotions there, huh? Especially that freaking bounce here. I was like, wow, it stopped me almost in break even. I will smash down everything. At least we're up $3,000 there. Let's see if we can get another trade. That was a beautiful short. Amazon was still weak. Apple as well. Apple was still below the view up when I started to short here. And yes, to short here was still below view up. And also the other stocks as well. And it gives a nice sell-off situation. So we took our profit at the lows. We're not adding up to the position. We're keeping ourselves take out. Let's get to the next trade. We are just trying to get a better win rate with the experience we have, with the idea of trading we have. That's all. We are better trader. Oh, la 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 la. $3,000. $3,000. It's time to bring these accounts back to life. It's time to bring them back. We're gonna do it, guys. Look at that. I'm so happy I did not add to any position right now. At 60, you might have got your 15 minutes if you looked for 10 points. If you looked 15 points, no. Clown candles. Yeah, Mufti. I stopped to add, and it's not for me. You know what I was like? I was in my mind. I was like, in 1 year I became profitable. Last year I became profitable. 15 minutes brick strategy, $20,000 payout, $19,000 positive on the year with trading. Amazing. Being the first year of my life being profitable, $19,000 positive. This year I'm still positive because of the 15-minute strategy. And I was thinking, I was like, what made me keep the money? It was like 2 trades, take them out, move on. And the only things I was not very happy, it was the win rate of the 15-minute strategy. Was the only that. So I was like, let's just move to something that has a higher win rate, but have similar way, because I'm already used to do similar things of stop loss, take profit, 1-to-1 risk reward, pam, 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 take it up. We will not make money today pattern. Yeah, today is a pain. I think I'm gonna look again for a short if we come back lower and we retest the opening range break. I'm looking for that. Apple still. Yeah, MNQ, right direction, right man. Yeah. And as well, MNQ, the good side of MNQ right now, I try to get the right direction, give it a larger amount of stop loss that makes sense. So here, so I don't give it 10 points, 15 points scalp, and then it's it's good depending on the day. Yeah, I'm very happy. So let's see what we can get right now. It does look he wants to break more lower. I should as well. I should print a paper on my right side here where I write how much is $200 loss with top macros. 2 macros, $200 loss is, I don't know, 50 points. 3 contracts is 35 points, something like that. So then I can go here and just put it right away. So right now I still have to do like this and move it, get my actual idea of loss. That's what I like about Quant Tower, to be honest, is that I don't have yet the trade, but I can have an idea of how much will be my stop loss if I put it here. Like I move it and I'm like, okay, if I enter here with $200 loss, that will be my stop loss. Does it make sense, or I need it more? So I like it for that. Really like it for that. Guys, the short is coming. Everything is selling off there. Everything is selling off. Apple still rejected the highs. We're coming back. Oh, I like this opening range break, guys. 15 minutes. I'm gonna take the short of it. If we break right now and retest it, I will look for shorts. Oh, that's beautiful, guys. Shorts is coming there. It's getting more powerful. We are getting it. We are getting it. That's a quick retest. Don't want to take that kind of retest. Let's see. $26 seconds, this 5 minutes candle closes. We have as well in 5 minutes the news, guys. Easy money, easy money. Okay. We're below the opening range break there. Let me see how it evolves around this area. Might look for shorts. And the take profit will be at least around this level here, 18,000. Let's see, guys. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. I can even enter here. That is still good. Looking it for a short, looking for a short. I'm gonna get it there, a short, guys. Oh, what is these things? At least the $200 take profit, that's good. I like this short. 15 minutes there, opening range break. We take it. We take it. That's what we do. That's what we do. Opening range break, taking me home, take me home, oh take me home. Opening range break, take me home, la 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 la. Take me home, oh take me home. Opening range break, take me home, na 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 na. Come on, give me this nice sell. Give me like this take profit in 2 minutes. Next minute, another one, another pushing, nice pushing candle here. Yes. Oh, it's 1-to-1 risk reward. I'm $100. Everything's selling off, so there is no need right now. It can come back, retest the opening range break. Oh, that Apple, my God, that Apple is squeezing to break lower. If that happens, we're getting this 18.6. Okay, gonna move it to break even, I believe. And if it comes back and stop me out and we're looking for another entry, it's not bad, yeah. Let's do that. Now give it to me. Give it to me, market. Sell off a little bit more. Give that push. Give it that push. Get that push here. This 19. Gave us this 19. I don't want to take profit in advance. Okay. Okay, that's what we want. That's what we want. That's what we care. That's what we do. That's what we do. That's what we do. Easy, easy, easy. I know how to trade. I just need to have some rules. Let's go, guys. Easy, easy going. I know how to trade. I just need some rules. That's the only things I need. I need some rules of being comfortable, of like being, I take the profit. This shit can go to the freaking bottom of the earth, and I don't give a shit. These things can touch 18.6 getting right now, guys. By the way, opening range break is something I'm gonna use as well as an entry. If for example, for the first 15 minutes I didn't take 2 entries, so that's very difficult. And if the 15 minutes breaker retest comes to happen, is gonna be one thing I'm gonna do. We got some closing candles below. We kept ourselves below the 15 minutes, and I was like, okay, you know what, this shit is starting to confirm this the level. We go for short. 15 minutes opening range. It's something I noticed. It's perfect. It's perfect. Easy strategy, and it works quite well, to be honest. As well, same things, same time as here, the stocks. Amazon was on the lows, was selling off. Google was selling off. Tesla was selling off. What else? Everything was selling off. Apple is finally right now breaking lower. Guys, these things can go to the bottom, and especially because why we can go to the bottom is when I look at the 1 hour chart, you see there is nothing. This was a huge candle of move here, and look at how much we moved from the opening print level. We moved nothing. No, 136 here, sorry. We moved this piece here, but here, that's how much we have a kind of free space. So who knows that today we might not sell off all the way down, but it can happen. How much we made today, guys? A beautiful $5,770. Let's freaking go, guys. Let's freaking go. Perfect. Thank you, guys. So right now, oh, the news there at 10 a.m. Not really a big news. Did you take the short, Abdel? 15 minutes break. I hope you took it there. It was quick. You had to go quick there. Also, to you, Redwan, if you took the 15 minutes break here, it was a quick 15 minutes break. Yeah, I take it. Good, good. Good, 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 good. Good job, guys. Good job, everyone. I like how we bounced back today on Monday. Beautiful profit, beautiful day, beautiful analysis on both trades. Here, the sell-off, the bounce, the stocks were still weak. We're still below the opening print level, below the 136 level. Another leg lower. And then we let it do whatever it wants inside the 15 minutes break strategy, 15 minutes break area, came back lower, retest the opening range break, and boom, we took it short. And right now, look at this sell-off. We are at 950 points. These things, guys, who knows where the heck he wants to go? Oh, la 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 la. Let's move. Oh my God, that's beautiful. I will look at these beautiful trades. When I look at them at the 5 minutes candle, I'm like, they are so sexy. They are so sexy. Oh, let me get there. Ooh. Okay, now you can see as well the markets here. So you can see them as well in the 1 minute candle time frame and trades. See you tomorrow, Mufti. Thank you so much, brother. I hope you had a good day, no matter what PNL it is, but on your execution and mental side. Last week for me, when you are sick, the brain wants to take you away from the stress immediately, and you don't trade as you want. Yeah, man, sick is a sick. Trading was sick last week was a mistake. That was definitely a mistake there. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. We did amazing. These things can sell off a lot. Probably Active Trader Society is a killer of adding up, is selling off this shit. Is probably short from somewhere already here. And it's like adding up, adding up, adding up. He's the king of sell. Oh, not king of sell, king of adding position. I am not. I had to look at myself at the mirror and I'm like, I'm a weak bitch. Cannot do that. Nasdaq, we killed it. We killed it. $5,000 profit there. Beautiful. Beautiful. $5,770. We bring these accounts back to almost the initial balance. That's very good. We had a bad week last week, but today we did it. We didn't, we were not sad. We were back. We're back. And this is beautiful is that having a one-to-one risk reward, this is the profit. If tomorrow we lose it all, we just lose the day profit. And of course, to be honest, yeah, here when I say 1.5 risk reward, here I could have done a bit more here up to the level. But I looked again, one-to-one. Here was perfect. One-to-one was perfect. Probably I would have been stopped out in break-even, looking for more. Here, because I have a lot of room, definitely could look for 1.5, somewhere here. Great overall. How is going for you guys? How is going today? Tell me, guys, tell me. 80% off with Apex, guys, for the rest of the month. And hopefully you're killing it. No matter where you are, what are you doing with your trading? What is your style, guys? Guys, we don't have anything lower. We don't have any level lower until yeah, I don't even 200 or 400. So far, we are so far from anything lower, guys. If you're someone holding for, definitely that can be a freaking short. Honestly, I could have used account 40 to short more. No. I do 2 trades and I'm done. I do 2 trades and I'm done. Well, I'm here, guys. Guys, a guy in Apex last week got a $2.5 million payout. A guy in Apex got a $2.5 million payout. Jade, that is another one, probably soon will get his 3 million approved. It's insanity. And I have to step up the game, right? I have to freaking I have 20. I need to start to get these payouts back, running back, getting back this money, move to 20 PA, and making $300-400 a day on each PA. That's 8K a day, $10,000 a day. That's insanity. And if you do them in a correct way with correct risk management, you're flying. Also, guys, what are we doing here? Nasdaq, how is it going for you? Hey, no one is speaking today. Everyone is dead. Is everyone dead there today? At a look at that, 70 points from my entry. It doesn't matter anymore. I managed to get how much? 50 to 20. So we got our 30 points there. It's a beautiful, especially because I had a beautiful stop loss as well. If this thing was coming back and holding the 50 minutes range, then it was not a good thing. Until we were below the 50 minutes range, we're flying. And right now, guys, these things can still sell off. There's no levels lower. And if you're thinking to buy the bottom, just stop doing that shit. Stop doing that shit. I mean, it's only if you kind of scalp these things, but even that, you're really risking to scalp here in a situation like this, and then you're like getting destroyed. Just go with the direction of the market instead of scalping on a bounce, scalp on a short. I mean, scalp on a bounce and just shorting it. You have more chance. How many times by scalping short you will have mod money here and lost money on the last one, and how many times you would have lost money trying to get the bottom and made money only in the last one? So just think about that difference. It's a huge difference. Scalping short, you do a mistake only once when it reverses. Most of the time, of course. Then if you are FOMO one, then it's different. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Nice. And account 40 here, unfortunately, not with the third contract. 20 pace. 20 pace is the goal. 20 PA. Yeah, 20 PA is the goal, my friend. 20 PA will come. It's just a matter of time. Next month, I might go again with a few more. Get at least how many I have right now? 3, 6, 7, 8. Not that even odd quattro. Yes, say, yeah. I have only 8 PAs right now. So I would like to go back for sure to 14 PAs I had before. 14, 15 PA, go to 20 if possible. Yes. Hello, Prasad. How are you, man? I hope you're doing great. Baskaran. 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 I hope you're doing great. How are you? Trading is going good for you. I hope so. Still very weak situation here. I will still short. If I have to look for an entry, I would be like, I will enter on a short position. Good, good, man. I hope your trading is doing well. And if it's not doing well, it's more you're improving. Guys, I bought a book. Incredible, right? Just saying that I bought a book. This one. Can you see it? Atomic Habits, guys. I read the first chapter right now. I think I started the second chapter. Yes, I've started the second chapter. It's great. It's really great. It's one of the best seller. Everyone advised it, and I agree. And I agree. It's a great book, guys, for your habits. If you want to change habits, if you want to create new habits, if you want to remove bad habits, really these things change everything. And as well, it's not just about habit on a way of like running. I want to start running. I want to lose weight. No, it's habit impacts everything. You want to be a successful trader? This is a great book to read. You want to be a successful person in your life? This is a great book to read. You want to be a great entrepreneur? This is a great book to read. These things is something that really it hits you mentally. Hits you mentally. That is the most important things. And I realized it every time I read a freaking paragraph here. I'm like, yo, I'm doing that mistake. And I realized it. I'm like, you're right. Every time, for example, I think about losing weight, it's an example, losing weight. I always think about the goal instead of thinking about the system, the process, my nature of how I'm applying these things. And it's really, it's mentally, it's a big update for you. Hey, yo, William Rodriguez, okay, todo bien. How are you? Everything good? Hope you're doing great. Look at this, guys. He's still selling off. Don't look for buys, guys. Don't look for buys. And when I look at the stocks, let me see the stocks. Oh my, nice bounce. Okay, beautiful bounce in Apple around this area. No, around this area. These 5-6 candles. Beautiful bounce of Apple. I think this bounce in Apple would have scared the shit out of me and taken me out. But still, all the other stocks are still selling a little bit more. So just more like now is a more careful situation. Stocks are bouncing there, but who knows? I think Apple might still reject that. There's the beautiful thing of looking at the stocks is that when you see this and you see the stocks, you're like, ooh, this might be an area, but careful. Yeah, William, si te quiero, yo hablo español perfectamente. Yo hablo todos los días con mucha gente acá en Paraguay. Me gusta mucho el idioma. Me gusta pasar tiempo con mis amigos paraguayos. Very similar to Italian, so it makes it easy for me, to be honest. I just need to practice more, and that's why I'm thinking to go to Colombia, just to keep my Spanish in action, and not go to Brazil, because I want to keep my Spanish trained. Yeah, William. Wait, you speak Spanish, right? Because of the Rodriguez. The Rodriguez things made me think. Oh, look at that. Oh, okay. See, okay. Look at this sell-off. Look at this sell-off. Apple is selling off right now strongly. Oh my God, guys. This is gonna go to the bottom of the sky. Bottom of the earth here, guys. Don't look for bounce. You're getting destroyed. William Rodriguez, sí, sí. Soy ahora en Paraguay, pero quiero el fin de semana no, cambiar por un otro país. Pienso Colombia, cerca de Medellín, pero un mes. Oh, look at that sell-off, guys. Look at that sell-off there. You lost already a nice 65 points. No se pensé que hablar del principal. Es gran Zamza. Muchas gracias. En los últimos 3 meses acá en Latinoamérica, porque soy acá por la residencia en Paraguay, por la residencia per l'imposte, y por esto que soy acá, soy solo y necesito hablar con, con personas. La gente acá es muy amigable, muy calurosa. Y la comida en Paraguay, que es una comida muy rica. Look at that, look at that. Killing it, killing it. Give me a 10 out of 10 for this English and Spanish. Speaking Spanish class here. Hope your trading is going well, William. Hope your trading is going well. Look at this sell-off, guys. Don't look for buys. Don't look for buys, guys. Don't look for buys. Just looking at the stocks. Look at the stocks. That shit is selling off in the stocks. I'm gonna share it with you guys, so you have an idea of what I'm looking on the left side. So that's why my face is on this direction many times. You see, we have Amazon all the time selling off. Apple had a huge sell-off, came back, but rejected this area where it broke before. So right now we're selling off again. Look at Nvidia just selling off all the time, no bounce at all. So that's why when you look at the possible bounce, but if you don't have any bounce as well from the stocks, zero. Still selling off, still selling off. Here, nice bounce from Google, but still coming back lower again. Just pay attention. Right now, of course, we're gonna cool down, but the heat map as well. Look at the heat map. How can you look for buys? Like Active Trader Society will say, this is yeah, you don't look for buys here. You're gonna look more for sells. So just be careful on that, guys. You are good traders, not gamblers. How many languages do you speak? I speak Italian. That's my first language. I speak the best. Then I speak English. Then I speak Berber. That is my dialect in Morocco. Then I speak French. But French, I'm losing it right now because of Spanish. And Spanish is the language that I'm adding up. So I'm at 5 language right now, yes. And I'm gonna add Arabic this year as well because I need to learn it. And then I'm done. And then I can speak with 60% of the world because Indian and China just takes half of it. So I mean, India, they speak English, so we cover that. China, no. China, they don't speak English in China, especially if you go to visit. I was in Shanghai last year just for a layover, guys, one day. And Shanghai is a big economic city, but somehow they don't speak English. In a restaurant, nothing. I went to a restaurant, just very basic. They didn't have it. I was like, wow, that's interesting for a big city. I mean, it's a rural area outside the big city. It's totally fine, understandable. I'm not gonna be the one that push English for another country. But you know, William, it's, to be honest, is I never put effort on studying them on a grammar side. I just, luckily in my side, I moved a lot countries. I changed countries. So English came when I went to UK, and English finally, I learned finally English. France came when I moved to France, and I didn't even met that many French people. I just, by speaking a little bit with my friends time to time, and Spanish by coming here in South America. That's really the best way to learn a language. Take yourself on a vacation, 3-4 weeks, and you just try to be the most immersive as possible in the local life. Speak as much as you can, make mistakes. No one cares. Local people are happy if you speak their language. They're definitely unhappy if you just pretend to care that you only, no, not pretend, that you care only about speaking English, and then you're like, yeah, come on. Yeah, thank you, William. Yeah, thank you. That's why I'm like, yeah, it's really, really. But of course, some people have opportunity. I'm thanks God I have the opportunity. I travel. I work full-time remote. I'm gonna create much more content, guys, from now on about my daily life. It's gonna come. Trading, of course, it's a good mix. I will be in Colombia. I will be trading from there, live trading from there. So I will do as well some vlogs on the day. So it's gonna be interesting, guys. It's gonna be nice. More content about traveling and trading. I can do it. That's because I can do it, and it's something I should show to the world. These things stay selling off. No bounce is a bounce here. Amazon still broke the lows. Apple is the only one holding a little bit, but still, even with the Apple holding, this thing is still selling off. Go, Nvidia selling off. Yeah, this is just a sell-off, guys. But at 1023, guys, 80% off, guys, is back, and you can use it as many times as you want. And please remember to use it with my code, Hamza. I'm a small channel here. Instead of using a big channel, they make a lot of money. If you help me, that helps a lot. And I appreciate each one of you guys. Thank you so much for using it and for helping the channel. Yeah, and I'm not a full remote trader. I wish I am. I'm working on become much better. I still work. So after this live, I close the live and I'm back working. I'm the guy that is the reality of 99.999% of the traders. That's the reality. Most of us still needs to work before they become better. Don't look, guys, to leave your job as soon as possible. You made your first $1,000. Don't do that. I've done that mistake. I've learned from my mistakes. The best way to improve your trading is to have a job, because it gives you a mental state that is more relaxed. You don't need to make money from trading, and when you don't focus from making money in trading is when you make money. But when you focus on making money in trading is when you don't make money in trading. It's an oxymoron. It does not sound right, but it is how it sounds in trading, unfortunately. And again, I advise you this book, guys, Atomic Habits. I just started reading it, but I read it just after 1.5 chapters. It's amazing. So totally advised for my people. And you're welcome to come to Discord as well. It's free. You can come chat with me, chat with us. I'm not the only guy there, and we can kill it. For the rest, guys, I love you all. I wish you the best. I think this thing is gonna continue selling off, and if it does not, I will be happy to sell off more tomorrow. For the rest, I'm done on the day. I made $5,700. Beautiful bounce. That's what I needed. And have a beautiful day, guys. See you tomorrow. Bro, one question. Go, Sahid. Tell me. Last question. Go. 101. Thank you. Redwan, did you take the 50 minutes break strategy or you took these trades? Are you using order flow? No, I don't use order flow. I just use naked chart here plus naked chart of the stocks. That's the only things I use. 15-minute strategy. Let's go. You made your money? Let's freaking go. Let's go then. Good job. Good job, guys. Yes, Said. Welcome tomorrow. You can ask me any other questions. Also in Discord. Love you all, guys. See you tomorrow. Code Hamza for 80% off. For the rest, peace and love, guys. See you tomorrow. Don't overtrade. Don't overtrade. Don't overtrade. 1 hour of trading is beautiful. And you can just get a heck out of here.